Today on Mom to Mom, we have a few hacks to make your life easier. I have a few of my favorite life hacks as a mom that I have been using since my kiddos were little, and hopefully these help you out. Also, if you have any wonderful hacks that you've used, feel free to message us up on our Mom to Mom page and we'll make sure that we get those into rotation. So up first, I have these cups. We always know our kiddos love to get several cups down. Heck, my kids are 9, 16 and they still get them. Sometimes it's hard for them to reach. If you want them to be independent, all you have to do is grab a cup, put a magnet. I got these little round ones off of Amazon, stick it on the back of the cup, and then put it on the refrigerator so they're able to fix their own drink right there. Super easy. Now if they ever get boo-boos, you know, they bump their head or scrape their knee, I like to use marshmallows, put them in the freezer, so when they do that, you can just put it on their elbows and it's not as harsh as like an ice pack would be. Super easy. And then I like these shower caddies from the Dollar Tree. They're super easy. You can have snack night, movie night, all kinds of stuff fit in here. Put their snacks, popcorn. It's really easy. Or you can even take it with you in the car and throw their fast food like burgers and fries in here, and it keeps them from dropping it all over the floor. And the last one, quite possibly one of my favorites, if your kids are learning their right from their left and trying to put their shoes on the right foot, you want to take some stickers. You're going to cut the sticker in half and then just put it on each side. You teach them to match the stickers when they put their shoes on, and it's that easy. Again, if you have any wonderful hacks, please message us and you might see that on the next Mom to Mom.